COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
This year has been a stressful year for many of us. Personally, I went through a huge transition in my life. I moved to Japan from the UK and then quit my job to become a full-time creator. The past few months have been stressful for me because my income dropped quite a bit and I was anxious about my future. But one thing that made me feel better was talking to my friends. In this video, I want to talk about this app called Woven that I think it's very helpful under the current situation with the pandemic where we can't meet our friends and family easily. Woven is a kind of app that helps you reconnect with your friends by making arranging a Zoom call or meetup easier. I always didn't like arranging an event because it takes so much time. For example, let's say you want to arrange a Zoom call with your friend to have a catch-up. First of all, you have to tell them your available time and wait for your friend's response, which can take forever sometimes. Then you often have to repeat this process a few times before you agree on the time to have a catch-up. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of this back and forth texting because I find it very inefficient. Then I stumbled on Woven, who is kindly sponsoring this video. The reason why Woven became my favorite app is that it removes this whole stressful back and forth texting process. What you need to do to schedule a Zoom call is just sending them a link to your Woven calendar where they can see your availability and pick the time that works for them. So let's say you want to have another catch up with your friend. With Woven, you can create a scheduling link using a template such as chat for 30 minutes, 60 minutes or dinner. Since this is a Zoom call, let's choose 60 minutes chat. First, you can choose whether you want to offer all of your available times or pick specific times. In this case, I picked offer all available times. Then you can further customize the times you're going to offer. For example, if you hate to have a chat in the morning like me, you can set the start to the noon. And if you're busy during weekdays, you can set your available dates to just Saturday and Sunday. You can also add participants by clicking people. You can add the location too. If this is a dinner or lunch, you can put the address of the restaurant you're meeting at. But since this is a Zoom call, I'm going to leave it empty. And then if you hit conferencing, you can include your Zoom meeting ID in the invite. Once I'm done, I usually use the smart title, which automatically includes the names of the organizer and the participants. Finally, you hit create link, and share the link with other people or send the invitation email. That's it. Now you only have to wait for your friend to pick a time from the link you shared. Alternatively, you can schedule within messaging apps like WhatsApp and Slack too, if you use the Woven keyboard. When you switch keyboard, you see the list of templates. Then you can choose one depending on the type of event you want to make. If you want to arrange dinner, pick the template for dinner and choose the times you want to offer. Once you picked, Woven quickly create a link that you can share immediately. I think this is an incredibly useful feature that can save so much of your time. 2020 has been a stressful year for us. If you're feeling lonely or having a rough time, I think it's important to talk to people. And Woven can make it easier to reconnect with your friends, which is precisely why I love this app. You can download it for free from the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.